Solve the simultaneous equation y minus x is equal to 1 and 2y plus 3x is equal to 7. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. We are going to solve these two linear equations in two variables simultaneously. I'll call the first one equation 1 and the second one equation 2. I'm going to use the substitution method here, and so I'll make y the subject in equation 1. Equation 1 is y minus x equal to 1. So if I make y the subject, I will have y is equal to x plus 1. Let's call this equation 3. I will substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So we now have y as x plus 1. Equation 2 is 2y plus 3x is equal to 7. So if I substitute y is equal to x plus 1 here, I'm going to have 2 times y, but y is now x plus 1, so 2 times x plus 1. X plus 1 is a binomial, so I'll put the binomial in a bracket and then I'll bring 2 outside the bracket. So I'll have 2 into brackets, x plus 1 plus 3x is equal to 7. Let's open the bracket here. 2 times x will give us 2x, 2 times 1 will give us 2. So we have 2x plus 2 plus 3x is equal to 7. If you group like terms, you are going to have 2x plus 3x, which is 5x, and then 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5, so 5x is equal to 5. I will divide both sides by 5, and x will give me 1. So I now have the value of x as 1. From equation 3, we know that y is equal to x plus 1, and we have found out that x is 1. So y will be equal to 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 will give us 2, which means that y is equal to 2. So the value of x is 1, and the value of y is 2. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is B.